Now we're going to do an unboxing of this short screwdriver set, so that way you can learn and you can see if it's worth it to you to buy it or not. So here I bought this recently, and like a month ago. So, and I'm going to tell you a little bit my experience, the good, the bad, of the ugly about this product. So here we have the Wera bit check. So we have a diamond 30 pieces. We have the star. We have the star a little bit bigger, and we have, I mean, this is the cross, the Phillips is this kind of star, the flat head, and this the star key as a star screwdriver. So as you can see, I mean, it looks very nice. It's very expensive. This costs like $90. To me, very expensive for a small set of screwdrivers, but it comes like that. So it comes with this cardboard. It says, enjoy, you are a tool rebel, and we have a sticker, and that's it. There is nothing else in this. The only downside of this is that I don't see is it doesn't say lifetime warranty or anything like that. So if you see here in the other side, you will see here that says the dimensions of each one. That's it. And it's made in Czechoslovakia. That's it. There is nothing else that I can see. So, but I'm going to tell you a little bit about this. So the good thing about this is it's as big as your cell phone. So if you want to compare it, I'm going to show you here the iPhone 15 Pro, the regular one, and as you can see, it's a little bit smaller and shorter than the phone. So the good thing is, if you don't want to carry, you know, like a big tools or anything like that, if you do electric work, handyman work, or anything like that, you will see that, you know, you can have this in your hand, this in your pocket, and that's it. And then you are on your way. You can fix, you know, small things, and you don't have to carry, you know, like a big pack of bits, like you see here, like DeWalt or Richard. I tried them all, almost. So here I'm going to tell you the good, the bad, and the ugly about this product. So the good thing, like I said, is the small size, so that is why I bought it. The bad thing is that you have too many duplicated bits. So as you can see here, we have 2 1s, 2 2s, and I don't see another third one. But I think I had another one. Maybe I lost it. So that is one of the things. The good thing, another good thing is that you have the numbers. I mean, you can see very clearly and very quickly. So if you want, you know, the flat screwdriver, if you want the Phillips one, so as you can see, you have all the bits, you know, the reach of your hand very quickly, and you can see everything. And I think here is another two. So this is another duplicated that I have, but I think at least that is, you know, something that is good, so you can see everything. For instance, I'm trying to rearrange this. For instance, this goes here. It would be nice if you can have it, you know, by colors or something, so that way you don't mix them up. And if you lend it to another, you know, helper or something like that, they're going to, you know, mix them up, as you can see. And like I said, the point, I mean, the material is very good. It lasts for very long time. Here, I think it was misused. That is why it broke here. But other than that, I think it's good. I'll see if I can contact them, and I'll see if they can send me one, if they offer, you know, lifetime warranty. Otherwise, I'll try to buy a new one, and that's it. So the other thing that is good, it comes with this. To me, it's too short. I mean, this extension, I mean, if you see here, it works great, but I said no, I needed something a little bit longer. So as you can see, I think maybe if I use a long drill bit, maybe I can make it go all the way in. But if you try, you see, this is something that I bought extra. It's something that it doesn't come with this kit, and if you put it all the way, you see, it doesn't fit perfectly. So it seems like, you know, it's touching somewhere here. Otherwise, if you use the original one, it's good. But to me, at least in many cases, I'm having this issue that, you know, I need something a little bit longer. Otherwise, you're going to run in trouble, in problems. So as you can see, you can put this here like that, and it works great. And also another thing that I like about this is that it doesn't use any magnet. So basically you put this like that, and it will stay. And if it breaks for some reason, because I had, you know, like the paddle bit that they break if you use them too much, and if you have a magnet, you're not going to be able to remove it. So this, in this case, is you push up and then remove these, and that's it. And later you can push it down. And if you want to put the bit, you put it, and if you want to pull it, it will not fall. So that is the good thing about this type of system. In this case, the same thing. So with the long one, as you can see, you put it here, and it will not come out. And if you want to remove it, just pull it like that, and then that's it. So the only downside about this type of system is that it's too bulky. I had many. I mean, I ran in many cases that I couldn't use these bits because they are too wide, and I had to use something else, like I'm going to show you right now. As you can see, in this case, I had to use something like this because otherwise it will not fit, and you're going to run into that issue. So it will be nice. I don't know, it could be done, you know, differently, so that way you don't have this type of issues. But as you can see, this is slimmer, and you can put this anywhere. So the screwdriver, you know, the bit can fit in here. You're going to be able to put it just fine. As you can see, great. And it works, and it has the magnet. The only thing, if you break this, or if you use like a paddle bit or something like that, it will get stuck here, and you're not going to be able to remove it. At least that is my experience. So make sure that you have both. At least I bought this. This is a new one. I'll try to use it for maybe a few days. I'll make a video later, and I'll see how it goes. The only downside about this brand that is kind of similar, as you can see here, it doesn't have the flush, the one that is the flat bit. So as you can see here, we have star bits, we have the square ones, and two of the Phillips drive and a bit, and that's it. So here you have the 1, 2, and then you have these 2 and these 3 here, and that's it. So if you never use, you know, flat a screwdriver, you are good. And this is like very small. So as you can see, I bought it on Lowe's today, and even smaller than the other one. But you're going to have a little bit less of variety. So hopefully, I don't know, if you have any question, please let me know in the section below. And I am in US, so if you want me to send you any tool like that, just let me know. I can do that. Otherwise, if you're here, I'll try to leave you the link, so that way you can buy yourself. And if you like more tools or everything that I do, go to the playlist, and you are going to find more videos about this. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.